He's gonna do a movie about Mannerheim. Oh, fuck. I need to concentrate a bit. Okay. And it's gonna be the most expensive film in Finnish movie history. 10 million euros. It is a lot in our price range. And I hate those birds. I really hate those birds. I hate this plant, I hate this money, and I hate that bird, and I just did something. I don't know what I did. Did I save or... Oh shit, I just put the game in override. That is in a completely wrong place, that button. I need to change that once I stop recording. That's funny. Not funny. Not funny at all. Not funny at all. Don't wanna die at all. I'm just gonna skip most of these if I can. Die! I want to know how to do that really cool destroy everything move with my whip. No! Stupid bastard. Die! You notice how I say a lot of die? I should really apply for a death metal band. Die, die, die. Yeah, the right voice. Die, bird. Help, please. No balls, please. Thank you. Okay, I won't do the rest of the LP with that voice. This is a little nicer. No jumps. Only red hedgehogs. Oh shit, boss. Oh, it's a Medusa. Oh, this is easy. I just need to stay down and not die. I'm dying. Shit! Fuck! Ah! Yes. More jumping. I love jumping. Oh, da -da 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 -da. How long have I done this again? I've done this... Oh, I forgot to set the timer. Well, I hope I don't go over time. I'll try getting to the boss one more time and saving then. I need to check the... somewhere else than the timer. God damn it! I hate boss fights. Oh, motherfucker! Motherfucking frog! Ah! Why does everything in the forest hate me? What have I ever done to the forest? I don't cut down trees. I don't burn down forest. I don't freaking do anything to the forest. I don't. I don't turn over headstones. I don't. Oh, I gotcha. I gotcha. Yeah. How do you like that? Stupid bird. Bird brain. Die! You know what I needed? I needed that stopwatch that was back there. Yeah, I needed that. Didn't get it, did I? No, didn't get it. At least I'm starting to get a hang of this whipping. I'll whip him into submission. That I'll do. Whip some cream. Die, hedgehog. Die, 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 die. That was easy. Extremely easy. I didn't get a ball! Oh, it was only a... Well, I'm gonna save state here and pause and this is the end of episode 2. See ya guys later. Now where the hell is the stop button?